This 2018 Coachmen Prism Elite 24EF is a Class C RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, U-shaped dinette. This 2018 Coachmen Prism Elite 24EF is built on a Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.